Stacking. If you do, I can say escape. Not day. Yeah. Papa, men, I'm me fear, mini bieno. Mini bieno. Hey, men, I bought them a corn who are Dalomiazo. Adomiazo. Hey, Yamena, me this a come out quad or pado. Yabusia sem fasuini misuna mena make a sign a boom to say to you. Ah, not day. Papa says I'm below you whom at Tantania. Atantania, bring over me be a whom at Tantania. Atantania, Papa says I'm below you whom at Tantania. Atantania, Mansi Amisi be a whom at Tantania. Atantania, Papa says I'm below you whom at Tantania. Atantania, Sikami Nibinti, Yahuma Tantania. Atantania, Papa says I'm below Yahuma Tantania. Atantania, yes, if I'm assuming as you any Atantania, into the Sami Sabella Mammy, Yahweh, but me pum money pam pam pine. You could be a Yamasi or Sister Lebela, Kajuni Bam one Tantan.
That was my baby here, what I say. That's what I'm talking about, yeah. Hey. Super duper baby. Let me come on, give me that electricity right now, let me see something right. Boom! That's what I'm talking about. Hey, you get do now. If my way say you get do now, come make a challenge for you. You get do now, sit down now. This one where they say if it be a kelebe, if it be nyash, if it will do more, everything I swear. Man, share, hey, baby, what's up? You know something? I love you. I love you. Wait. I don't want to name you best after mom. If my mom not there, you will replace. I swear, because everything way my mom has been doing for me since infancy, you're also doing the same. You are too caring. I mean, you are lovely. You feel me? Sometimes I don't get. You go call me, yo, the whole come say arrested. Yo, Prince, what I say, get money. Now the shy I go talk about. You yourself, because you say in my conversation, my combo, no, some not there. Then you go sort me out. But I don't promise you something. Baby, any see uncle see you. Any see uncle see you. Trust me. Hey. Baby be an one for a cabiano, only here that. So as you get me like this, I beg, make you know, I mean, give up on me that. Hold me tight. Huh, baby? I say what? Hold me tight because definitely by hook or crook, I go make them, I go get them. You feel me? Hey, I wish say like the money come. How I go spec you know, how I go do you know? If you only job pay you know. Obi show to come to Yamini Nenya. But that time how I go raise you ne? How maybe levels mention. But you make it this afternoon. Are you ready now? Yeah. Why you say like me and you we died on our body we day for like some years now. But always be they shy me. Like I say, oh, for me, I can be also. Oh, if you respect me, if they respect me like that. Yeah. I mean myself, I know. It might be the most of you know, we say you the one that love baby. If you respect, you see that thing. How you respect me? How they pet me? They make they love you. Because you be gentle, you be decent. Baby, you know something. Today. I chop bet. I don't make a go spoil you. One say normally I never been done now. At the end of the year, me I go take everything. I go handle everything today. I chop bet today. I say how I go make you fun. Make I do you something selfie. You know, give me 360. Make I do some video like that. Make I post it right now. Then you say my woman get nyash. This is what I'm talking about. Spoil my phone. Spoil my phone right now. Spoil my phone, mommy. Go, come on, do it. Let's go. Good. This is what I'm talking about. Yes, I go post them soon, I swear. So maybe the location, where you say make you go? Where are you coming from? What?
My friend's place.
Now, before say you go your friend in Bodine, before say you go visit your friend, today I take you go out. I don't make you go chill somewhere, like, you know, go to somewhere, then, you know, have some ice cream, and be like, you know, you feel me? So where the professor make you go before say you go visit your friend? And in front of Yanko is my kitchen, nice village, kind of say Ladona. Where?
Okay, why are you mentioning many places?
So where do you want us to go? You talk to me. I'm waiting, baby. Come on. And I'm saying, because music and baby. I'm waiting for you, baby. Don't feel shy. Like don't tell me it's a price. I don't want you to spend. Today I have it. Let me spend it. So where do we go?
It's my kitchen. It's okay.
It's my kitchen.
Of course, baby.
Only it's my kitchen.
Yeah.
You have no worries. Both. Only it's my kitchen.
Yeah, baby.
After Honum go baby.
Baby.
Come on, baby. It's my kitchen. They said he could dig a key, but if you see ice cream is been some things no on a day.
You could do any
Okay. Now let's go to the pool too.
Yeah.
So pool when I'll prefer.
Royal America is okay.
All right. I'm going to that book to see.
Okay, baby.
Wow, just wow. Just the 3 cities. So
cancel the boat.
30 minutes ago. Is it?
Cancel it, babe. I realize it's Royal America. It's my kitchen now. You can like once she died, discuss and say, but you not say this time for future use. But right now, Madam Smith, when you are audience, I think I'll be calling me by my phone.
Babe, listen. I know, babe, come on, listen, see. Levels. So make I wait for you or what? Wait, you make a can hear you two also. You see, we go somewhere after the other side. I don't say I don't care, but you are talking. You guys are the one two, I don't spoil you. You two, the best of say. And then who else? I don't know never.
Na mentua woka afese se obabe vocha sika mini bi mase de men ma ye gata wose ma bra boy tan sa bata na mesisa me sebe de mame kwakwa be na be turo
Let me call you back.
papa sisa me sebe do ye hu matantanie atantanie bring over mini bi ye hu matantanie atantanie papa sisa me sebe do ye hu matantanie. Yes, if I'm assuming as you any atantani, this is Sammy Sebeleman. I say my bella bonnet does one nezo. Into Betty and S.
See my boyfriend. Yeah.
Wait, which one? The sugar daddy or that local boy? Which is which?
Why are you calling him local?
What are you talking about? Which one?
In my boyfriend.
That nothing guy. You're not serious. You don't know what is wrong. I will tell that. Leave that boy. That boy has nothing to give you.
I can't leave him because I love him.
Love?
Yeah.
Wait, you mean love? When you stand up in the morning, really it's love. That we do it love. You're not serious.
Yeah.
Leave that guy. Look at you. Look at your body. Yeah? Look at the things on the chair. And you are letting that last guy. Let me tell you something. That guy has nothing to offer you. I'm telling you. He has nothing. I mean nothing. Look at your shoe. He can't see me by your shoe. Your dress, your bag. He has nothing. Look at you. Look at your hair. 2 months hair. Still on your head. Come on.
Now what do you want me to do?
I want you to break up with that guy. If you like, call him right now. Tell him that it is over.
Really?
Or I should take you to his house.
No.
Break up with that guy. Break up with that guy. Bestie. Look at you. You're looking beautiful. Very, very beautiful. You do.
One year me feel I didn't know meaning project. Like I don't understand.
I said he has nothing to offer you. He can't even take good care of you. Yeah? Please, do you know something? Call him right now. Tell him it is over. Yes, I'll give you nice sugar daddy. Very, very handsome.
You sure?
Rich. Have cars. Companies. I'm talking about money, I'm talking about love. Do you know something? Oh, who is that? I wanted to do my let me look. Do you know something? Yesterday, I was passing by and I saw your guy with a very beautiful girl. I was shocked.
My boyfriend.
I mean that guy.
Oh, maybe I know you know him.
It is him. He was doing that girl like this. I was like,
You sure?
I was like,
My boyfriend.
I even called him. Do you know what he has?
No.
Do I know him?
Ah.
I was like, really? I'll tell you your girlfriend.
Only besides him no.
I'm serious. I said it is him.
Well.
And do you know Sister Ama?
Sister Ama.
The one who sells the
Yeah. Sister Ama, I know.
She said your guy came to take something from the shop.
When?
Up to now, he has not paid. He has been asking him always up to now.
Hey, my boyfriend.
So we should go there. Maybe you think I'm lying.
There be me castle transfers. Wonka. By everyone wants maybe in your one. What you or describe being Panama won't say me boy. Oh, I don't think so.
I'm saying something to think I'm lying. If I wish yesterday I was having my phone. If you think I'm lying, okay, do you know something? You don't want to believe me.
Yeah.
Don't want to believe me. Okay, let's go inside.
It's a me money pam. It could be a Yamasi.